Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We get straight to the point with simple health advice that can truly help you feel stronger and healthier after 60. If your legs feel weaker, your balance feels off, or getting out of a chair is becoming harder, do not ignore it. Many seniors believe this is just normal aging, but in many cases, the real cause is muscle loss. The good news is that the right breakfast can help slow it down and even improve your strength. After a full night of sleep, your body has gone many hours without food. If you skip breakfast or only drink coffee, your body may begin breaking down muscle for energy. The muscles in your legs are often affected first. That is why your morning meal matters so much. One of the best foods you can eat is whole eggs. Eggs are rich in protein and contain nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, and leucine, which help rebuild muscle and improve balance. Eating 1 or 2 eggs in the morning may help your legs feel stronger and steadier. Another powerful breakfast is oatmeal with chia seeds. Oatmeal gives steady energy, while chia seeds provide magnesium, potassium, and healthy fats that support muscle function and help prevent leg cramps. You can add banana slices or blueberries for extra nutrition. Bananas are especially helpful because they are rich in potassium, which supports healthy muscle movement and may reduce painful nighttime cramps. Seniors with kidney problems or diabetes should speak with their doctor before eating large amounts. Greek yogurt is another excellent choice. It contains high-quality protein that helps your muscles recover after sleep. It also supports bone health and digestion. Choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugar for the best results. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are also wonderful for seniors. They contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and help protect muscle strength and balance. Sweet potatoes are another simple food that can help your legs. They provide steady energy, improve circulation, and may reduce weakness and stiffness. Simple morning habits can also make a big difference. Drink warm water after waking up, move your legs gently before standing, and spend a few minutes in morning sunlight to support vitamin D levels. Remember, weak legs are not always caused by age. Your body still has the ability to rebuild strength when you give it the right support every morning. Thank you for watching Gentle Health with Dr. Steven. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss simple and useful health tips made especially for seniors.